In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with n8n credentials in a secure setup. Connecting these platforms allows you to automate workflows seamlessly, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Once there, log into your account and go straight to your profile section by heading over to Notion/profile integrations. Here, you're going to initiate the creation of a new integration by clicking on the plus new integration button. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for connecting Notion with n8n, allowing both platforms to communicate with each other securely. Now that you're creating a new integration, the next thing is to provide a name for your integration. It's recommended to use something simple yet descriptive, like n8n integration, so you can easily identify it later. After selecting a name, make sure to choose the right workspace from the drop-down list. Your workspace is essentially where all your Notion pages and databases reside, so selecting the correct one ensures that your integration will have the right permissions and access. Once you've filled in these details, proceed by clicking on the Submit button. This action creates your integration within Notion's system, and you'll be presented with an integration token along with some configuration settings. Keep in mind that this token is sensitive information. It allows n8n to access your Notion workspace. So, it's vital to store this token securely and not share it publicly or with untrusted parties. With the integration now created on Notion's side, the next step is to switch over to n8n. In n8n, you'll be setting up your credentials to link with Notion using the token you just generated. Navigate to your n8n credential settings where you can add new credentials for Notion. Enter the token you stored earlier, ensuring you do so accurately to avoid connection issues. After you've entered your credentials on n8n, take a moment to test whether the connection between Notion and n8n is working correctly. You can do this by setting up a basic workflow that interacts with your Notion data. If everything is set up properly, you'll see that data from Notion flows into n8n seamlessly. This successful flow is an indicator that your credentials and connection are correctly configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've securely connected Notion with n8n, allowing you to leverage the power of automation to boost your productivity. Remember to periodically review your integrations and credentials